This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy lorShift back at it again with another banger video, y'all. And as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, we will be sliding my one-of-one Tanny Mobile, Scat Pack, wide body, whatever you want to call it, Ghost Mobile, through every corner. It's raining outside, as you can see. Well, you're not gonna be able to see it, but the ground is wet. I have no tires. Let me show y'all my tread before we get started with this video, so y'all can see how bad this is. Your boy been sliding like every damn day, bro. Look at this. That's what happens when you slide every day. Tires are cooked. You know what? Since it's raining outside, or since the ground is wet, I might as well continue to slide on bald tires. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn every corner. Not every corner, but you know, the corners that are good to be bent at. We got the 360 camera on the back. I need to get one of those wireless mics. I had one, as y'all seen in my last video, but it wasn't really doing no justice. It was kind of ass, I'm not gonna lie. So we just gonna rock out with the little wind muffler Johns. Hopefully it doesn't, this rain doesn't mess up the lens or anything. And yeah, my tires bald as hell. We gonna spin every corner. Well, not me, I won't be driving. I'm handing the keys over to Matthew. So he's gonna be bending every corner. Matter of fact, Matthew, come here real quick. Come here real quick. lorShift handed over the keys. Nah, we gotta go crazy, y'all. We gotta go crazy. I'm not gonna cap, y'all. It's gonna be a turned ass video. Hopefully we don't get into a chase. I mean, if we gotta get into a chase, then it is what it is. So stay tuned to the end, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. And get lorShift's video.
They told me to focus on the bigger picture. Like, how can I stop when we all on a mission? Turning my likes and comments to dish. Had to turn this shit up, make them want to pay attention, yeah. Had to turn this shit up, make them listen. Little nigga couldn't stay out of detention.
Oh my God, I ain't strike lorShift's car in a minute, bro. I damn near forgot how to start this shit up. I think you do this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, it's runts. Yo, lorShift is cooked, bro. We striked his car. What do we do now? I think we gotta give it a couple of revs real quick. Let's put the windows down real quick. Hold on. lorShift is cooked, bro. lorShift is cooked. This joint sound crazy. So the joint not even warmed up yet. Oh my God. I gotta let it warm up a little bit. Y'all already know we gotta go in sport. We gotta slide in sport. We might not even have to turn the traction off. I think lorShift's tires is bald as shit. I gotta turn it off though, just in case, just in case. I mean, let's get out of this area before these Dunkin' Donuts people call the cops. Dunkin' Donuts do sound rocking though, I ain't gonna cap. We got the camera rolling in the back, the 360 camera. We're gonna bend our first corner up here once all these cars go by. We got the heat on blast, bro. It's cold outside, y'all. I don't understand, it's spring and it's cold. Like, fuck, where the heat at? Come on, my brother, back that up, back that up, back that up. Y'all know we gotta start off spinning the car and getting benty. Damn, this pavement is terrible. Let's get benty. I don't know why his car not trying to spin. The car was not spinning. It was like gripping the ground. Like, I don't know if y'all could tell. The camera was shaking mad hard and shit. The car was shaking mad hard. That was bad. That was a bad first trial, but we still gonna put it in a video. Oh my God. See, track mode is where it's at. Sport is terrible when I slide, bruh. I know everybody says slide in sport, but I made an attempt to slide in sport and it wasn't sliding, bro. So we just gonna stay in track. Maybe track is just my mode. Like, I don't know what it is, but everybody tells me to slide in sport mode because you can slide easier. Or it shifts better or something like that. But we just gonna go with the track mode for now on. I gotta bust a U-turn. Car's not sliding how I wanted to slide. Car's not sliding how I wanted to slide, y'all. I'm gonna try and keep the camera position better, so that way y'all could be able to see better. Because I know recently my POVs, I always record from down here for some reason. But I mean, we're gonna keep it up here. We're gonna try and keep it up here so y'all can see better. It's different in the Chally. It's everything's so much lower. Like the window is smaller. You barely even have, you know, a good angle to see out of this joint. Compared to the Charger, you're sitting more up. We're gonna make it right into here. Shit, can I get out through that way? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Y'all know what that means. Y'all know what that means, y'all. I would spin right here, but it's a lady in her car right there. Like, you can't make this up. My luck is just terrible. Let me reset this damn car. I don't know what's going on. Hold on, bro. Because I know with my RT, I had to do this. I had to turn it off, turn it back on, just so that the traction could cooperate, right? Let's see if that makes a difference. See if that makes a difference real quick. There we go. That's what I like right there. There we go. Yo, lorShift is gonna be mad. We tearing his car up. F it. Oh, I was about to do a little donut, but there's so many cars, bro. So hard, bro. So hard to keep an eye out on cops and do shit like this at the same time. I would get into a chase. Y'all know how I get, man. I will get there if I have to. I will take it there if I have to, bro. But it's like, man, it's raining. The ground's wet. We just gonna keep it with these. Oh. Hopefully y'all get a good angle of everything. I'm trying my hardest to keep the phone up. I'm gonna try and get one of those mounts that mount up to the mirror, so that way I don't gotta hold it. It'll just stay up here like that. Yeah, that'll be nice. A lot of y'all been sending that stuff to me, but I've been slacking on buying things like that. I'd rather just hold the phone, to be honest. Oh my God. Sound like two ass cheeks clapping. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, bop. Turn on red, no. Man, fuck all that shit. We out. Fuck all that shit. Turn on red. The hell? Yo, it's a police station or a fire station right there. damn, bro. I can't even slide the corner because this dude want to be going all slow, bro. I'm taking advantage of these neighborhoods, bro, because these are the only way we can really get our turns in. I don't really know where I'm at right now, so I don't know any good spots or good areas. So we just gonna keep busting turns out of these neighborhoods and give y'all like some driving and shit. Smack the shit out of that pole. My camera's still on. Oh yeah, the camera got everything. We good. My tires are 100% cooked. What's a curve right there? I don't want to do that. That's a little too close. If the ground wasn't wet, I would feel more confident in like having more control of my car. But since the ground is wet, like trying to bend out of corners like this, I feel like I'm gonna slide, like I'm gonna continue to slide into the grass or hit a curb. And I don't want nothing messing up with my car right now. I can't afford that. I can't afford not having my car for no longer than a day. Oh my God. Sound like two ass cheeks clapping, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. We're not gonna spin right here or turn this corner because there's a church right there. I don't want to do that, you feel me? Gotta be respectful. Gotta be respectful. It definitely do be cops around this area though, but y'all think that's gonna stop me? We gonna wait for everybody to pass by and then bend this corner. Because why not? That felt good. I ain't gonna lie, that felt good. Thought that was a cop, boy. I was about to have to take off. That damn, I had to bust that U-turn. That U-turn was mad tight, Marty. Yo, them purple lights hard, dog. Damn. Let's make a... What should we do? Yeah, I don't want to bend right here. I was going to bend right here, y'all, but we ain't going to do that. We probably got like 2 more minutes of recording left. Let me go in this motherfucker. If y'all enjoyed this video, man, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're still not done. Look how bad this car slips. Look. This car just wants to slide, bro. Alright, that's what we're gonna do. One more great donut right here. Alright, y'all ready, y'all? Oh my God, dog. Oh my goodness. All right, yeah, we gotta end it on that note. That was crazy. That was a good ending. I ain't gonna lie. I'm drawing right now. I'm crashing out. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you watch the one that just dropped. I don't even remember what I just dropped. That shit was like a week, 2 weeks ago, damn near. But yeah, we gonna end up getting out of here, man. It's your boy lorShift, or Matthew. lorShift is at the crib, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video. You feel me? So stay tuned and hit that like button, or you turkey.